Are you having some trouble using the Easy Speak on your Highlander or Sienna? I'm about to walk you through how to do that right now. So now we're looking at the infotainment display. How I got to this, I went to apps and it will pop up your different selections here. You notice the Easy Speak is not illuminated. First thing that you want to do is make sure all the passenger doors are closed. Just that easy. Now it'll illuminate. What I've done, I had this set on my three-way split as a default, so for quick access. Now all you have to do is simply turn it on. And what this feature does is it transmits the voice from the front passengers to the rear passengers. Keeps you from having to yell and scream at the kids on long drives. Reduces stress, you drive better, you drive safer. Another thing I want to show you, if you go here to your apps and setup, driver Easy Speak, this here you can set the volume, low, medium, and high. If you go high, it's going to transmit your voice higher. Who would have thought? Lower, it'll be lower. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all your support. Until next time, drive safe, be safe, stay informed.